Hi, it's Lynette here. So I was just getting ready for bed, kind of tied my hair up. They've just been for my flu jag. So I thought I'll just get into my jammies, right? And literally just back 5 minutes from my flu jag. COVID jag as well, made a coffee and then remembered Vlogmas and the first day of my Look Fantastic advent calendar. Now I'm not going to open this every day and bore you with it, but I completely forgot all about it. So I don't think did I get any advent calendars last year? Holland and Barrett one, I think that was it. But I saw this and I thought, I like it, I'm going to get it. So I'm going to show you day one and then I'm going to talk a little bit about Vlogmas. I'm really looking forward to it, although I'm not sure I can do it every day. So, it's pretty heavy actually. This is what it looks like. A big 25. So we're on day number one. So day number one is a big box. There was also a booklet that came with this. And I'm like, oh, I'll just open the booklet. And it was all like day one, day two, what was in the box. So I'll quickly put the booklet down. And you know, when other people were opening their unboxing their advent calendars, they'd cut away to like nice shots of the products in their hands and stuff. You don't get that with me. I'm just going to open it. Day number one, nice big box, and woohoo, it is rituals. I love rituals, right? The stickers come off with the paper that it's wrapped in. So this is the ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. Roses from India, fragrance stick, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So it's a little diffuser, I think. That is what a fragrance stick is. Yes. So, oh, people must be saying, can I mix the fragrance oil with water to produce a mix? No, oil and water do not mix. Okay. Why is it not possible to continuously reuse the sticks? Well, because they get clogged, and actually if you were to replace them with a new fragrance, then they might not get any smell. My bottle is not yet empty, but it seems as if the fragrance is no longer being distributed. Turn the sticks around. I turn my sticks around all the time. But when you turn them around, and it does say that here, when you turn them around it goes faster, so bear that in mind. So maybe what you want to do is, here it is here, is actually kind of keep the sticks as it is until you can't notice the smell anymore, and then turn them around, and then it will last longer. But I love the packaging on this. So there we go, that's what it looks like. And I hope that ugly label comes off. It does. Obviously telling you it's flammable was the word I was looking for. And it gives you all your instructions, and you can pull it off if you like the look of it. There you go. And I'm going to open it to smell it, right? Because I'm going to put it, I might keep it in here actually. Be careful where you're putting these, because it is oil, and if you put it on painted surfaces, it will cause your paint to flake, and you know, if you spill any, the oil will damage wood and things like that. So be careful. Put it on a coaster if you're putting it somewhere maybe. Right, so I'm just pulling this bit out here, and then you pop the sticks in. That is if I can do it, and I hope it doesn't go everywhere. And normally it's just a cap, but if you've got no kind of grip strength like me, you might struggle. Oh, God's sake, what's going on? And my fingers are locked. I'm not getting this out, honest. I will try. Keep on trying. Whoa, there we go. Right. Look, that's what I had to contend with. It smells amazing though. And it actually just almost nearly went all over me. So be careful if you've got this advent calendar and you're trying to open it. So I'm delighted with this. I do have varnished woodwork in here. So I will pop it on the Kallax behind me. But I'll leave it kind of until tomorrow, and then I'll turn the sticks so I can get the fragrance. But that is lovely, isn't it? Really nice. Oh, it smells gorgeous. If you don't like rose, you won't like this. It smells amazing, and actually these wee tubs come in handy. You know, if you've got like hair baubles or clips or little things, I keep tubs like this to put those in. So, pop this at the back, pop that up there somewhere, and talk a little bit about Vlogmas, because it is the 1st of December today, and I know I'm popping this up later. So I do have a few things planned. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do something every day, but maybe on the days that I don't, I can show you what I've opened in the advent calendar. But you know, things like baking, cooking, wrapping, you know, Christmas come shop with me, what's in store, things like that. Maybe even some crafting, but I don't know. I am not sure. I'm not very good. Maybe I get ready with me. Just depends how organised I can get. As I say, this week's been mad busy. Last week was the same, and it wasn't until I went to take my makeup off that I remembered I hadn't opened this, and I did want to come on and film it and talk a little bit about Vlogmas. So I'm really looking forward to doing Vlogmas this year. And for those of you who are kind of thinking, what's Vlogmas, Lynette? It is something that people do. They tend to do it on YouTube. I don't know if they do it anywhere else. But anywhere that you could do a vlog, which is just a video blog, and you talk about Christmas, so Vlogmas. So there's also what they call Vlogtober as well, which is the month of October. But I'm quite excited about this because I do love Christmas. So hopefully come up with some good ideas, and hope that I can actually fit it in around being really busy at work. But I'm sure I'll manage. Anyway, take care, and I hope you kind of are... Well, I'm not even organised for Christmas. I'm not even going to go there. Whenever I see people with their decorations up, I wonder if they're people that are bought and wrapped. If that's you, tell me, are you that organised? If not, then, you know, maybe you're just sitting there thinking the decorations are up, but I've still got to buy everything. Yeah, for me, I don't want the decorations to go up until I'm a bit more organised. So anyway, there we go. I'm going to meet my friend on Saturday, so going into Edinburgh for that. So I might try and get some of the Christmas market. If I don't, I'll try and get some the following week so that you can see some of that. But I have heard that they've boarded a lot of it off, so you can't see in or over, and there's like security letting people in and out, where it never used to be like that before. There is a lot going on at St Andrew's Square in Edinburgh, so I might film some of that. I did film when I was in work the West End, the kind of lights and stuff there. That'll just be a wee short video. I'll pop it up as a YouTube short probably, because the Johnny Walker Experience has got a projection on the building and it's fantastic. So I'll definitely pop that up. I've already filmed a come Christmas shop with me in Poundland, just all their Christmas items. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling really excited for it, and I'm hoping you're going to kind of join me, whether you like Christmas or not. Just come along, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, have a lovely evening, and I'm looking forward to opening the rest of these days. As I say, wasn't planning on getting this, but I thought I may as well. So yeah, and then next year, we come into January, we're attempting to do the Year of Less. So I'll talk about that in January, because this is December, and yeah, there's too much fun stuff going on. Well, is there really? I think there is for a lot of people, especially if you've got kids. So, speak to you later. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.